Hello, my country people. One biologist wey be say they do molecular biologists and genetic in come outside say the case of Sylvester Oromoni, say that case, he say it be like say they nyash the boy, you say it be like say they gather and nyash. He say and the boy feel they suffer from syphilis. Okay guys, if now first time when be say you they come across Tafia Express, make you not forget to hit the follow button, make you not forget to share my video, make you leave your comment on how you see him. Whether the guy, the perspective way the guy to look the matter. He say because he don't come across the video for Inside Sahara reporters, saying God think and say he be like say syphilis they get this type of symptoms. So if say the boy mouth or his mouth got burn, the boy body they pain now. He say now the same symptoms with person where he be say he get syphilis. How una see am? This matter na very long matter. Oh, nobody they pray say may they bury their children. Nobody want pay school fees for pikin. Say may that school fees go kill the pikin. It not make sense at all. How una see am, my country people? If now first time when say you they come across my video, make you not forget to hit the follow button. Leave your opinion on how you see am. This matter na very sad matter, and they will make sure say Sylvester get justice for inside that Nigeria. That school, government of Lagos, they don't shut the dual school down. They don't shut the school down till further notice. We pray to God, say, make God make them see the people where say they commit this atrocity for inside that school. This boy don't bring more light to inside this body art school. They say many things they happen for those body art school where we say parents don't know where they threaten the children. Many things they happen for inside body art school. Many things they happen. Any papa, mama, parents where we say they send their children they go body art, you go better say make you call your pikin sit down. Make you try ask am about any molestation. If somebody they molest am or they do and stuff where we say it not they good. Always play with your kids. Make you know from them say if they face this type of things for inside school. Sometimes if you do the ash on your pikin for inside house, you know go they open up to you. You know go they tell you things where we say in they go through for inside school. In go they feel say if he tell you go beat him, or if he tell you the thing will cause another trouble. Now waiting maybe say now waiting this boy see face be that one and they look out to be so where we say the papa the ask can say waiting them waiting he pass through waiting happen to Rantina and ball now he play because they threaten us say if he talk say they go poof am. Out of those fear when we say they tell the boy mind the boy not really talk waiting he do one. And this Mr. Fidel Ishelibe where we say in a biologist in don't come outside talk say he be like say they yash the boy. He say he go advise say make the boy, make the parents they go do autopsy for the boy dead body. I wanna see my country people. The thing when the guy throw in, he go say make they do test, make they do autopsy for the dead body for the pikin. I be good man not do one. Make you not forget to drop your comment. He go say make they do one. For me, he go good say make they do those autopsy because make they for know the resource where be say the boy take poof. May the boy's gentle soul rest in peace, and they go make sure say the government will get to the bottom of this, and all the people where we say that they involved for this matter, all of them they go bring them to book and they go face the justice and the law. Make you drop your opinion until next time when we say I come on our way. May you stay blessed. Bye bye.